Yes, guys, a special good day to you again, to my viewers and subscribers. So, it's all natural King's Views, and I am here again with another video pertaining to my bird hunting. I am going on my bird hunting, so as you can see, I have my little slingshot here in my hand. I'm gonna pick up some stones that I'm gonna use to be able to attack these birds at this convenient time. And as you can hear, a lot of birds is all around. As you can hear, a lot of birds is all around. So as you can see and hear for yourself. Okay. So guys, as you can see, a bird is in the tree there. Okay, I have my bingy. Please be quiet. So as you can see, guys, I have the stones in the slingshot. Bird is in that tree. Take over with family. Oh my God! You can see it's no good. The slingshot is no good. I have to wrap it back over. But yes, guys. So as you can see, my viewers and subscribers, I just fixed up the bingy, and as you can hear behind me is a lot of birds. Okay, so I'm gonna shoot my first shot right now. Okay, my viewers and subscribers, as you can see here. Okay, the bird is right in that tree over there. So I'm gonna shoot my first shot because we're on a hunting spree at this convenient time. I want to bring home some birds today. Okay? Yes, my viewers and subscribers. Please remember to subscribe to the channel. Okay? So be very quiet and familiar. That's the first stone shoot out of my catapult. You can see slingshot. Okay, my viewers and subscribers. So as you guys can see, there is a lot of birds, and I'm going up the hill, and I am so tired, but I am still going because I have faith. Okay? Yes, I'm still going and going. I have to bring home some birds today. Yes, so guys, as you can hear, my subscribers, my followers, there is a lot of birds, and I really need to bring home a bird. So we have to just be very quiet, okay, my viewers and subscribers, because I really want to bring home a bird. This is a hunting spree right now at this convenient time, okay, my viewers and subscribers. So I really need to bring home some birds today. So for said and it done, let's do this. Okay, my viewers and subscribers, let's get this done. Let's bring home this day for today. We're gonna bring home this day for today. Okay, my viewers and subscribers. Hope you can see me very well. Okay, my viewers and subscribers. Hope you can see me very well. This is the story. That's other shot there. So please like, share, subscribe to this video. Okay, it's the bird hunting season. Okay, in Kingston, Jamaica. Don't forget that. Kingston, Jamaica, up in the upper hills, okay? As you guys can see. And you can hear a lot of birds around me. There is one. God, flew away. Flew away the wildest life out here in Kingston, Jamaica. Wildest life out here. Wildest life. Wildest. As you can see right there. As you can see right there. That's a big hive there. Right there. The wildest life out here. As you can hear all around me. A lot of birds. A lot of birds is here. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, look on the ground there. If you can look good there, you see a bird. You see a dove right there running up there. Oh my God. You have to be very quiet. He's moving so fast. He's moving very fast. That dove is moving very fast, my viewers and subscribers. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, my viewers and subscribers. That dove just ran away into the bushes. I'm gonna get a better, I'm gonna get a clear shot so you guys can see. Okay, he is moving so far away in the bushes, way over there. He's at my viewers and subscribers. You can please give me a little nice one shot with guys. I'm gonna shot this bird. Okay, my viewers and subscribers. He's on the ground there, running up in the bushes there. So this is how we get it done out here in Kingston, Jamaica with the slingshot. Okay, so as you guys can see the wildest life on my bird hunting. Okay, the wildest life out here on my bird hunting. And I should say much manners and respect for this video and much blessings for my bird hunting. As you can see guys, it's me and God only in the bushes. And I should say please like up this video and share it, subscribe to it pertaining to my bird hunting. As you can hear guys, it's a lot of birds. A lot of birds guys. It's a lot of birds. We have to get something today. We have to carry home something today guys. We have to carry home something today. So we go back down here. There's a lot of birds down here. Let me through those markers. Bushes. Wildest life out here in Kingston, Jamaica. Want for you guys to get a better view pertaining to what I see. I want you to see what I see. Okay, my viewers and subscribers, so you can know that I am way up in the mountains. Way up in the mountains, as you can see. My viewers and subscribers. Look all over my viewers and subscribers. You see how far I am at in the hills with my slingshot. That's the energy there. Respect and manners goes out to you all. I show you that big mountain over there. As you guys can see, it's very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. So please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more blessings. Okay, so as you guys can see, it's a lot of natural stuff that is good for you and good for your hairs and stuff like that. Okay, a maca grab me. This maca bush grab me. So as you guys can see, this is good for your hair. You know, yes, and I should say it seems like it is June because there is a lot of June bug, as you can hear in the background, and I hear a lot of birds, as you can hear in the background, a lot of birds. See the beauty again.